Hello students. So the next topic of chemistry chapter 3 is occurrence and extraction of metals. Students, what do you mean by occurrence? Occurrence means the existence of metals in their natural form in the earth crust. That means on the basis of reactivity, some metals react with the substances and they occur in the form of compounds, and the metals which are least reactive, they do not react with the substances present in the atmosphere and they exist as in their elemental form or their native state. Okay, now extraction of metals. Compounds of metals or elemental form of metals, and from these two kind of substances we extract our metal: compound and their elements, metals element. Okay, we have to extract these metals. हमें मेटल वहाँ से निकालना होता है इन द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म, एंड दिस इज known as extraction of metals. Some metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. are found in the free state in the earth's crust. Why? Because they are least reactive. You know the least reactive metals are silver, gold and platinum. They do not react with the substances present in the atmosphere, so they are found in the free state in the earth crust. But most metal are found as oxides, carbonates, sulfides, halides, etc. What are these most metals? Metals which are reactive. They could be highly reactive, they could be moderately reactive. Highly reactive react vigorously or react very fast, but the moderately reactive metals react slowly, but they react, and they also present in the earth crust in the form of compounds, in the form of either oxides, carbonates, sulfides or halides, etc. Now this is the image of the type of low reactivity metals: gold, silver and platinum. They are found in the earth crust in the free state, in the elemental state or native state. Now what are minerals, ores and gangue? Minerals are the compounds of metals from which we can extract metal. Okay, minerals, what are minerals? Minerals are elements or compounds which occur naturally inside the earth crust. या तो एलिमेंटल फॉर्म होगी, एलिमेंटल फॉर्म कब होगी? जब मेटल्स लीस्ट रिएक्टिव होंगे, या फिर कंपाउंड्स फॉर्म होगी, कंपाउंड्स फॉर्म कब होगी? जब मेटल्स रिएक्टिव होंगे, मॉडरेटली रिएक्टिव और हाईली रिएक्टिव. ओके, so what are minerals? Minerals are elements or compounds which occur naturally inside the earth crust. Ore is a mineral from which metal can be extracted profitably and conveniently. Listen, we cannot extract metal from all the minerals which are existing in the earth crust. From only some minerals we can extract our metal, and that we have to choose that from which mineral we can extract metals conveniently. मतलब easily हम उसमें से मेटल को निकाल सकते हैं, या हमें उससे ज़्यादा मेटल मिलेगा, ऐसा मिनरल हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं, उसी मिनरल को हम ओर कहते हैं. फाइन. नाउ आपको पता ही है, चाहे लीस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल हो या फिर हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल हो, इम्प्योरिटीज़ तो आके अटैच हो ही सकती हैं. तो क्या होता है कि मेटल्स के साथ जो इम्प्योरिटी अटैच होती हैं, किस मेटल के साथ? मेटल किस फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है? या तो मिनरल की फॉर्म में या फिर ओर की फॉर्म में. अब मिनरल से हमने ओर सिलेक्ट किया, अब उस ओर के साथ जो इम्प्योरिटीज़ अटैच्ड होंगी, मेटल के साथ जो इम्प्योरिटीज़ अटैच्ड होंगी, उस इम्प्योरिटीज़ को हम बोलते हैं गैंग. सो व्हाट इज गैंग? इट इज़ द इम्प्योरिटी प्रेजेंट इन द ओर लाइक रॉक पार्टिकल्स, सैंड पार्टिकल्स एंड क्ले पार्टिकल्स etc. Now extraction of metals from their ores. How can we extract metals? There are three steps. Metals are extracted from their ores in three main steps. What are they? They are concentration of the ore or enrichment of the ore, reduction to the metal and purification of the metal. Okay. Now what is concentration of the ore? It is the removal of impurities from the ore by different methods. As I already told you that some impurities get attached to the metal, whether it is less reactive, reactive, or it is highly reactive. Okay, impurities attached to the metal. So it is the, what is concentration of the ore? It is the removal of those impurities or gangue from the ore by different methods. Okay, now this is the images showing the concentration of the ore. Now this metal is of brown color, that means it is copper. The color of copper is brown. This is ore with the impurity. This is the ore of copper with impurities attached to it. We will concentrate this ore. Concentrate means we will remove the impurities which gets attached to this ore. Now this ore will convert into metal, and then again we will purify it and we can make article from the metal. Extracting metals low in the reactivity series.